My name is Amelia Wood, and this is my FYE final project, and I'm going to be talking about my goals. My goal is to work in the film industry in the vein of working in documentaries, or to work with a news crew and be the person behind the camera or making the final edits. Somewhere in that range. The aspect of the well-being wheel that my goal relates to is occupational and intellectual. Occupational because it is the occupation that I want to do and what I'm striving for, and it's also satisfies intellectual well-being because it's going to be challenging and it's going to stimulate me intellectually, and it's also one of my hobbies, so it's something I really enjoy doing. Well, I got into film because I took my school's journalism class, and I decided that I did not want to write anything, and I actually just wanted to do film for the class. So I made a couple short documentary style videos for the website, as well as I would make reels, which were pretty fun to make. Not exactly star cinema, but they were important for the newspaper. And I've always just loved being the person documenting what's going on. Like, my camera roll is always full. I always have to delete stuff. It's so fun for me to capture the moment and then be able to look back on it and allow my friends to be able to look back on it. I think that's something beautiful about film that I would love to carry into a career. So, the game plan to achieve the goal is to first start out working with the Western Herald with their video team and try and build up some portfolio there, and then apply to internships for the summer, ideally at Public Media Network downtown Kalamazoo, and build up more portfolio, more experience, and then come into the next school year in the fall, hopefully apply to a bigger internship at a company. And the goal is to take as many internships and as many opportunities as possible to build portfolio, build experience, build connections, so that I can actually be successful in the film industry, which requires all of those. Knowledge from my FYE class is going to help me with my goal, because we had talks about building resumes and what's appropriate for resumes, and I'm definitely going to need those if I'm applying to internships, as well as I learned a lot about myself as a leader in this class, as it is the Leadership FYE class. Clifton strengths are going to play into my goal in a more subtle way, and that I will know what I'm strongest at and things that I need to work better on, so that when I do get put into positions of leadership or on a team, I know how to play into my strengths and get the people who are good at my weaknesses on my side so we can all succeed. In 10 years, I hope to be benefiting from this goal by having a solid position at some sort of media company and being able to either be some sort of editor or leading what's happening, or working on a crew to create documentaries to capture just like what's going on around us, capture history. I would be more interested in capturing stuff about social issues and what's going on in our political world is something I would be interested in more. But there is endless opportunities from this kind of job. There's always someone needs to take pictures or take videos for news networks or really any business. So I'm hoping to get a stable job is the goal, really. After that, I don't know where life will take me, but I know I'm going to gain a lot of wonderful experiences from this route. I'm going to meet so many people. I'm going to see a lot of things, hopefully. Hopefully I'll get to travel, And I think this will be a really good way to spend my time. It's something that I enjoy doing. And I know from my Clifton strength of adaptability, I need to be doing something different. I need to be going out on location and taking video, taking B-roll for the project, and I need to have a bunch of different projects happening, so I'm not doing the same thing every day. Although I will probably be doing editing and stuff every day, it'll be about something new, and it'll definitely play into my strength, and I'll get satisfaction from that.